Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on notifications for the location sharing reminder on Instagram using your PC. If you've been looking for this setting after the latest update, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on those 3 lines and a small panel will appear with several options. From there, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different features and preferences. Now, inside Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you manage all the alerts you receive. Next, find and click on Push Notifications. This section controls which notifications Instagram sends directly to you. Scroll through the list until you find Location Sharing Reminder. Once you see it, simply choose the On option. This will enable notifications so Instagram can remind you about your location sharing activity when needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Location Sharing Reminder notifications on Instagram web using your PC. This feature is especially useful if you want to stay aware of when your location is being shared, giving you better control over your privacy and activity. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more quick guides like this to stay updated with the latest Instagram features.